Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Mississippi Local and Long Distance Movers Near Me. 3 Movers is a skilled freight company that can handle all your moving needs in the state of Mississippi. So, if you are moving to a city in Mississippi or across U.S. states, you can trust us to properly carry all your apartment or office items. When you're planning a long-distance move within or outside the state of Mississippi, it's best to hire a moving company such as 3 Movers because the establishment has adequate experience in all aspects of moving properties over a long distance. However, you should be careful when hiring moving companies and ensuring that your hire has a valid U.S. DOT, Department of Transportation, number. You can check for this number in the FMCSA online portal. After you hire a moving company, you can request a meeting with their customer service representatives. In the meeting, you can go over the particulars of the move, such as the overall cost, when the items will be picked up, and when they will be delivered, among others. A local move is regarded to be any distance within 50 miles from your current location. If you exceed the 50-mile limit, it becomes a long-distance move, and you will pay more for the move. Local moves in Mississippi are between counties and cities. For a local move, you still need to hire an expert freight company such as 3 Movers to oversee that all your items are securely delivered to your new office or apartment securely and on time. Since local moves are brief, the total moving costs are average at best. When determining the overall cost, movers factor in the weight of all your belongings, the number of agents needed to carry your belongings, the distance to be covered during your move, the total man-hours, among others. Some of the residential and corporate moving services offered by proficient movers such as 3 Movers include commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as storage. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.